Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain the most important documentation form used in the NMC OSCE test. These are the key forms used across assessment, planning, implementation and evaluation station. Let's go step by step. The first form is the NEWS observation chart. This is used in the assessment station to record a patient's vital signs. You document respiratory rate, oxygen saturation, blood pressure, pulse, temperature and level of consciousness. And you have to calculate the NEWS score. If the score is high or so deterioration, you must check behind the NEWS chart and take the actions immediately which are in there. The next form is the medication administration chart. This is used in the implementation station. After giving the medication safely, you document carefully, including time, dose, and your signature. If you omit any medication, just document here. Never document before administration. Now let's look at the planning care plan sheet. This is used in the planning station. You identify patient's problems, set clear nursing goals, and plan appropriate. The next form is the evaluation form. In this station, you will be given sheets which you choose from assessment, implementation and planning station. And also they will give you the SPA form. This all station you will be given with the scenario sheet as well. The next form is the fluid balance chart. This is used to monitor fluid intake and output in fluid balance clinical station. The next is the nutritional assessment using a MUS tool. The form is used to assess risk of malnutrition. First is the BMI score, which is calculated using height and weight to identify if the patient is underweight, normal or obese. Second is the weight loss score, which looks at unplanned weight loss over the last 3 to 6 months. Third is the acute disease effect, which checks if the patient is not eating or is likely not to eat for more than 5 days. You add all 3 scores together to get the total MUS score. Based on the total score, you classify the patients as low, medium or high risk and plan appropriate nutritional care. Finally, the medication prescription documentation for inhaled medication. This form is used when administering prescribed inhaled drugs. After safe administration, you document the dose, time and signature clearly. These are the main documentation forms you need to understand for the NMC OSCE, even though sometimes format may vary. In next video, I will show the charts which is chosen MS2 station, which is midstream urine and urine analysis form, and bowel assessment chart, oral care chart, Pilipitis score chart, which we choose in intravenous flash clinical station, and then Bread and risk assessment scale, which we chose in press area assessment clinical station. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, please let me know in comment section. Thanks for watching. Good luck for your exam.